You're underway on course 315 at 14 knots. The current is 135 true at 1.9 knots. What is your speed made good? Okay, you're underway at 315. Let's get 315 on here. I know it's starting to get busy in here. If it does start to get busy and you're doing a bunch of problems on here, what I do is I just erase the middle. Boom, reset. 315 at 14. 315, we're over here. 320, 310, 315. 315. Line up your parallel rules there in the middle. All right. Current course equal 315 degrees true. Okay, and now we're looking for the current 135 at 1.9 knots. Okay, 135 is over here. Here's 135. You line this up. Okay, and this outer ring again is 2, so we're almost there. I'm just going to draw it out to the 2, and then we're going to get it exactly 1.9, just shy of 2. Take my parallel rules, come over here. Again, I know this is 1, 1.5, 1.75, and a little bit up. Okay, that's 1.9. And here we are. So from the middle, 1.9. Oh my gosh, it's just so barely. It's almost at the 2. Okay. Look at this. My current is almost exactly in the opposite direction as my course. So all of this speed is going to be subtracted from my course. If I were to just eyeball this thing from here, I'd just like 1.9, 14 minus 1.9, it's going to be something like 12. So that's a ballpark. 14. Let's get 14 on here. Some 0, 14. Okay, good. We got 14. So the end of our current vector, down our course, which was 315, check 315. We go down our current vector. Okay. And now we can measure to the center and we'll get our speed made good. And boom, we're at the middle. Let's see what we get. 12.1, 12.2, potentially 12.2. I'm going with 12.2. 12.1. Yeah. It was kind of on the verge of 1 or 2. I'm going with D. 5 is D, 12.1. Yeah, 5 is D, 12.1. Okay. That's excellent. Take your time on these, lots of practice. This is fun. You don't even have to punch numbers into your calculator. It's like this cool analog calculator that you get to use to navigate. So we'll see you on the next problem set. Take your time, enjoy these. Even if this maneuvering board, I'll have these available on our website, or yeah, these things are on Amazon. They're all over the place, and it's always this one, I find. There's also a PDF of these in your course that you can use. It's just much smaller. All right. We'll see you on the next video, guys.
If you find these videos helpful, consider using US Captain's Training as your course provider when getting your captain's license.